Hello everyone, welcome back to this second tutorial on D04 microcontroller based system design lab course. In this tutorial, we are going to use MPLAB X IDE software for generating your project. So just open the MPLAB X IDE software. After opening your software, you have to go to the file and select new project. Click onto it. It will give you one small window. Now the project type has to be standalone project. So select the standalone project and click on next. In this lab, we are working with PIC 18F4520 microcontroller. So under the device, you need to select the PIC 18F4520 microcontroller. So just type the PIC 18F4520 and you need to select it. Under the tool, you can select no tool at the moment and click on this next. As we have discussed in our earlier session, we are going to use XC8 as a compiler. So select the XC8 as a compiler and click on next. Now over here you need to provide the name of the project. So provide the name of the project and click on finish. So this way you can able to create your own projects. Now if you want to write the code for it, so for that you need to generate one .c file. For that what you need to do is you need to just right click onto the source file and under the new you need to select main.c and over here you need to provide the name of your source file. So let's say test and the extension is .c or c. So click on finish. So you can able to see one test.c file has been created and you can able to write your own application inside this particular source file. Now initially you need to configure some of the bits of PIC 18F4520 microcontroller. For that you need to go to production and select set configuration bits. Now over here you have number of options like which oscillator type that you are going to use, whether you are using analog input channels, whether you are using watchdog timer, whether you are using single supply ICSP enable bit. So depending on your use you can able to select the configuration bit. Now this particular PIC 18F4520 microcontroller has 10 types of oscillators, out of which you can able to use any one. As we know, this particular microcontroller works up to 40 MHz. So we are going to use HSPLL as a oscillator type. We are not using any watchdog timer at the moment. So just turn it off. We are not using any, let's say, ADC module. So we are just turning it off. We are not working with any memories. So we will just turn it off. And we are not providing any supply to your development board. So just you need to turn it off and click on this generate source code to output. So copy all the codes that has been generated by this configuration bit file, copy this and paste in your .source file over here. So just select this one and Ctrl V. Now after configuring this particular bits, we need to write your own applications. So in the next session we are going to work with how we can able to, let's say, turn on and turn off the LEDs